In this video, I'm about to tell you the 3 best ways to start affiliate marketing. Not tomorrow, not next week, not a few months from now, not even a year from now, but right now. The 3 best ways to start affiliate marketing. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the Kenny McB channel. I'm Kenny McB. This video is about the 3 best ways to start affiliate marketing right now. Well, Kenny, what is affiliate marketing, you ask? Let's say, for instance, a business like Best Buy, which they offer a lot of electronic items, and you as a third party have the opportunity to basically advertise for those products and services of electronics that Best Buy does offer. Have you ever been on a website and at the bottom of the website it'll say affiliate program or affiliate sign up or something with affiliate in it, and if you meet the requirements of that particular company, they will allow you to advertise for them. In return, you will get a piece of the commissions that you actually give them. So basically, you're bringing them customers buy from your specific link, then the company gets a piece, you get a piece, and the customer gets exactly what they pay for. So it's a win-win-win for all parties. So basically, if you become an affiliate for any type of company, you will be able to recommend services and products to the masses, basically through advertising for them, whether it's through social media or a website or a landing page or even a sales funnel. Alright, so I'm about to tell you the 3 ways to basically start, or the 3 methods that you can use to actually start affiliate marketing. And I will start from the most inexpensive one all the way up to the very pricey one. Alright, so stay tuned for this and watch the whole entire video so you won't miss your chance of picking the best one that fits personally for you. The first one is Bluehost with WordPress, web hosting, building basically a website. The key in running a tangible asset is basically a website. Your website can grow bigger than you ever freaking imagined. Of course, over time, anything that's worth it takes some time, so stop being impatient. Having a website can be very lucrative for your business. If you already have a business, then you don't have a website, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? And you can always add brand new things that arise over time onto your website. Of course, letting it pertain to your website niche. That's just like, okay, if I have a website full of electronics and then all of a sudden I put a freaking teddy bear on there for sale and there's nothing electronic about the teddy bear, it doesn't make no sense. And people start to think it's kind of sketchy. Just saying. I know from experience because I've seen a lot out there. Too many. After you set it up completely, meaning all your affiliate links are in the right places and they're working properly. Because wouldn't you hate to have to set up this whole entire website? You're so proud of it, but you didn't go back and check to see if your links are actually going to the product that you're trying to promote. It's not right. It's not right. You will have a full business up and running. Surely this one is not going to break the bank. All right. The second one is ClickFunnels with video advertising tips and as many landing pages that you can think of. Strategies on how you can upsell or even downsell. I don't know why anybody would want to downsell. Oh, wait a minute. I know why. If it complements whatever the product that you're actually promoting. Like this PowerShot camera. Without the tripod, you just have the camera and nothing for it to actually hold on. So you can actually be flexible. Yeah. ClickFunnels also offers you a service to use to help you market your products or services. If you ask me, that's winning service. Yeah, I agree with that. Pretty good deal. And the last one is ODI Productions Passive Income Lifestyle course, which is packed with the most information on affiliate marketing, doing it the right way, not spamming. Everybody hates spammers. Sorry, everybody hates spammers. Yeah. Nowadays, you have a lot of fluff out there on the internet as far as courses go. And believe me, I know from experience buying a lot of freaking courses that didn't teach me anything. Just wasting money. Wasting money. But I always freaking knew that there was good information out there. I just needed to find it. That was it. I just had to keep on searching until I found something truly that I believe that is actually going to help me. I still am going through a learning process, so I wouldn't take none of that back. Only because you have to go through something to actually learn something. So I don't feel that it's a failure to me. It's just a learning lesson. That's all. ODI's course will literally hold you by the hand, step by step. Hence, why it costs pretty pricey. It was worth every penny. Every penny. You guys, I actually would have paid a whole lot more. Yeah, I would have paid a whole lot more. The course also teaches you how your mindset should be before you actually even get started. You know, where is if you know how somebody is getting ready for an event or getting ready for a game, and sometimes you have the really great people that have to get into a mindset that they're gonna win, and then they actually pull it off. Yeah, it's kind of like that, but packed with a lot of information. Okay, all you have to do is do your research on who's actually offering their course. Then you should be able to make an easy decision after you've done that. For all your affiliate needs, I will leave links down in the description box below. Go ahead and smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your post notification so you will be notified every time I upload. Until then, I will see you on the next video. Deuces.